Today we're making homemade gel ice packs. When I first made these, I was surprised at how simple and easy they are to make. With just a couple ingredients and a couple minutes, you'll have your own homemade gel ice packs, perfect for icing sore muscles or putting in your cooler or lunchbox. For this DIY, you'll need rubbing alcohol, water, and food coloring if you want, and some kind of baggies. I used reusable ones, which I think are really nice for this. They're linked below. For a softer gel pack, mix together 2 cups of water and 1 cup of rubbing alcohol. For a more firm gel pack, do 3 cups of water and 1 cup of rubbing alcohol. I did both, and I'll show the difference after they're frozen. Add a drop of blue food coloring if you'd like. I think it makes it look like the store-bought ones, and it makes it easy for my family to know what they are in the freezer. Stir and then pour into your baggies. I like to use different size bags so that we have various sizes for different uses. Make sure to squeeze out any extra air in the bags and that the bags are sealed tightly. If you're worried about them leaking, you can double bag them. Then you're going to place them in the freezer until they're completely frozen. Once they're frozen, use as needed. Here's the gel ice packs after they've been frozen. I made both firm and softer ones. This one with 3 cups of water is more firm. It still has a little bit of movement. And this one with 2 cups of water is a lot softer and easier to bend. So you can make what works for you or have both like we do. These are perfect for using on sore muscles or for icing injuries. Usually we do wrap them in a thin towel first and then place on your skin. And you can also use these in coolers or lunch boxes.